Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Wattpad subscription. All right, as you can see here, I have the Wattpad app opened. Now I want to go to my profile right here at the settings, right here at the top right. We don't have the option to cancel our subscription. So what are we going to do? Just basically open up the Play Store if you're using Android. All right, I'm going to open it up. Then I'm going to go ahead over to my profile right here at the top right. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on payments and subscriptions. All right, just tap on it. And here we have the subscriptions. Just tap on it. And here we have the Wattpad subscription, which is active. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now here we have the cancel subscription button. Okay, just tap on this one and follow the simple prompts and you're good to go. Now, if you're using iOS, just open the settings app. Now tap your name at the top, tap subscriptions, select Wattpad, and then manage subscriptions. All right, you will see the same set of page. Just go ahead and tap on cancel subscription. And once done, you're good to go as well. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.